We've been learning about the solar system and what our planet means in a larger scale in the universe. To help us to be able to remember that and to learn more, we are going to create an Earth dance. Now, what the Earth dance is going to be science with the integrated subject of dance. What we need to be able to know and remember by the end of the lesson is to understand how to use movement skills in our dance, and then how to recognize the beginning of principles of dance techniques that we use. What we need to be able to remember about the solar system are the major components and patterns observed in the Earth, Moon, and Sun. We need to know that the Earth is a part of the solar system, and that also includes the Sun, which is also known as a star, planets, and many moons. The Earth is the third planet from the solar system. That is something that's pretty important that I would like for you to know and remember by the end of this lesson. We need to recognize that changes in the length and direction of an object's shadow indicate that apparent changing of the position of the sun. So we need to know that the sun has a lot to do with our shadows and how they're cast and where they're cast. So what's the big idea of this whole lesson and this whole unit? These are the things that I want you to be able to answer by the end of today or by the end of the unit, and what I hope that you can remember throughout the rest of the year. First is that our planet is a part of the solar system. What are the parts of the solar system? What is at the center of the solar system that everything revolves around? Where is the Earth located within our solar system? How are shadows created and what affects them? What happens when the sun's position changes? And how does Earth rotate? Now, what I need to make sure that you understand is that the solar system is made up of a whole bunch of space where there's a bunch of different items, but the main piece is that Earth is included, and we are a part of a bigger system in the universe where other parts and pieces help everything to go around the sun the way that it does. So I have found two examples, and I'll help you to find them or help you to find other examples, and we can show them to you later. But this one at the top is somebody that's come up with a bunch of dance moves to a song that relates to the solar system. So the dance moves are more to help him remember the song and remember the facts about the solar system, but the dance moves don't really have anything to do with the solar system and how it moves. Whereas the bottom, I really think that this is more of what I would like to see you guys do, is a group of students that have acted as if they were parts of the solar system. So everybody's moving around the one person in the middle who's probably the sun, and it even helps that she's wearing orange. And they're all rotating in the way that their planet would rotate, and they're all rotating around the sun. And I'm going to show you this video to help you get inspiration of what I'm talking about, and hopefully you can understand what I mean about what they are doing that makes them look like they're pieces and parts of the solar system. they did, they created a dance based on a song that they had already found that really described what the solar system was, and it even gave the order of the planets. So this is what I would like for you to do. First, what I need you to do is get into your groups after I'm done and find a good spot in the classroom where you have plenty of room to create your dance and come up with it and move around and collaborate with your fellow students. When you're in your groups, I want you to create, or you can find a song that really describes what the solar system is. I'd really like for you to be able to create your own song that you can make your own dances to, but if you're having a really tough time with that, you can maybe find another one or use another song for inspiration. Then you need to create a dance that has to do with what you have learned about the solar system in this unit, and it needs to correlate with the song that you chose or the song that you created. What your dance needs to be in your song, it needs to be at least a minute long. Everyone in your group needs to have a part in your dance or in your song, and it needs to include all of the planets and the sun. All the parts of the solar system need to be described in your song or represented in your dance in some way. And then I need you to be creative. So don't base it on the example, and don't just Google a song or a dance to use. Use your own ideas and creativity and come up with something that's unique and different. And I need you to create it, and then possibly we'll record it or we'll present it for the class so that everybody gets to see and learn based on your dance. I really hope that this helps you to learn and memorize what we've been learning and remember it for hopefully years to come. Alright, so now it's your turn. Break up into your groups and let's see what you guys can come up with.